burping 8 really long life quotes. This is going to be hard. Let's do this.
Work like you don't need the money, love like you've never been hurt, and dance like no one is watching.
Next.
I always knew looking back on the tears would make me laugh, but I never knew looking back on the loss would make me cry. When life gives you 100 reasons to cry, show life that you have 1,000 reasons to smile. Advice is what we ask for when we already know the answer, but wish we didn't. In the end, it's not going to matter how many breaths you took, but how many moments took your breath away. Be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind don't matter and those who matter don't mind. Never tell your problems to anyone. 20% don't care and the other 8% are glad you have them. When one door closes, another opens, but we often took so long and we regretfully open the closed door that we do not see the one that was open for us.
That's all. 8 of them.